Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I did just get a new camera, so it's a little different. The quality might be different, and the frame might be a little bit different. Like I'm not sure how to like yeah, real time right there. Maybe is that better? Let me know if you guys like the quality, if you guys like this angle and everything, the lighting and everything. The background is a little different. I have my laptop bag right there. But today we're going to be doing the Moon Spell Box unboxing. Now, I have it right here. I already ripped it because I'm so excited. I just want to open it. So let's see what it looks like. So this is a subscription box that you can get for $14.99 a month. And this is their December box. And I'm so excited because when it comes to subscription boxes and like spiritual subscription boxes, I feel like it's just really nice. It's convenient and it's, spiritually, if you believe in synchronicity, then this is hard to rip open. But if you believe in synchronicity, then things will come to you in these boxes. Whatever was meant to come to you, whatever was meant to find you and find your energy and matched with your energy. So I do feel like a lot of these boxes are really nice. And I've been doing Goddess Provisions unboxings, and I've been doing Mindful Souls unboxings, and so this company reached out to me, and oh my god, it's so freaking hard to get it. Oh my god, I feel like I'm taking a shit. Okay, there you go. So first, the first thing, okay, it's kind of like what the company is about so that I can know. And look at this. Look at this. How pretty is the box? Moon Spell Box. Let's see what's in here. As soon as you open it up, this is what you see. Really pretty. Well packaged and everything. So it's a... you guys can see right there, and then it's a money spell. So it's a whole money spell that they give you. Money spell, intentions, ingredients, the ritual, and the incantation. Okay, I like that. And then when you go to open it up, they packaged it really, really nicely. Take this out. And here's what they give. So they gave a white candle. There you go. You can focus. It's just a regular white plain candle. Okay. And then there is this little package right here. And if you open it up, you see it looks like a pentagram. Let's see what that is. I already do have... Oh, wow. Look at that. I have a, it's probably better with my hand there. I have a pentagram or pentacle necklace. It's a choker that was inspired by Yennefer from The Witcher. And I have that, and I love wearing that, but it's a choker. So this is an actual whole necklace. Look how pretty that looks. That's really pretty. I really, really like it. Now, I do like also how it was packaged and everything. So, okay. You can use this necklace not just on your neck. You can also use it in your... spells and your rituals. You can literally, your candle right here, put it around your candle like this. I don't know if you can see. Put it around your candle like that. or around photos. It's really, really good for things like that. Now, the next thing that I see here, it's a little herb jar. I don't know if you, okay, so there you go. You can kind of see what the herbs are. I think that it is, I don't know what it is. Is there like what is it? Oh, okay. It's salt and basil. So it's salt and basil. You can see right there. Salt and basil. And so that's what they are recommending for their money spell with this candle and this pentagram necklace or pentacle necklace. I'm not sure. And then what we have next, the last thing in the box, and this is the Moon Spell box, and it is $14.99 a month. I don't know if I mentioned that before, but I do feel like they did good. For 15 bucks a month, you get crystals, you got a necklace, you got 2 tea light candles, you got herbs, an herb mixture, and like, not bad. Not bad. And I think there's no scent to it, but it's just a plain green candle right there. And then this definitely, you can tell it's an aventurine candle. Not a candle. you can tell that this is an aventurine. So you can tell right here, this is an aventurine crystal. And this crystal is known to bring money. Now, what I'm going to do is with all of these things, because these are very essential for a money spell. What they gave, everything that they gave is very good for a money spell. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and make an entire video on how I would use these things personally. And so if you do purchase this box, I'm going to show you how you can make the spell for money, for attracting money, for manifesting money. So if you guys are interested, then make sure you keep an eye out for the next video, because I'm definitely going to go sit down and I'm going to go prep all of these, and I'll show you guys how I do it. And yeah, let me know what you think about the camera quality. I keep looking at the viewfinder because I can see myself for the first time. Otherwise, like, I could not ever see myself, and I would have to use my cell phone as a viewfinder. And so it's really interesting seeing yourself. And I'll talk to you guys very, very soon. Bye.